Hey guys, I'm Shawn coming at you from Waco, Texas. Today we're going to learn how to play a song by the Eagles called Old 55. I did Old 55 by Tom Waits, and now we're doing it by the Eagles. Let's take a listen to it. All right, so doesn't that sound country, especially with that steel guitar in there? Great Eagles song. Guys, welcome to webpianoteacher.com, our online piano community where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. I'm going to help you do that right now. All right, so this is Old 55 by the Eagles. Again, the Eagles are heavily influenced by country music. There's always a country twang, a country feel that permeates their music, and especially this song. Glenn Frey, I think, brought a lot of that, and I just love teaching this song. We're going to do it right now. The sheet you see in front of you there, if you are a member of the website, you can download that sheet, which is very helpful for your practice time. But let's get to it. All right, so we're looking at the board here, and we have an actual piano intro. Sometimes with the Eagles, I have to, transcribe a guitar part or something like that, but there's actually piano in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, da, 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 da. There's kind of a da, 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 underlying lilt to the rhythm, da, 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 da. Bum, 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 bum. All right, so we are in the key of C. So that just, all that means is you're not going to have any flats or sharps that are automatically in the song. We may have some later that are accidentals, but for the most part, key of C, everybody likes the key of C because they don't have to worry about playing many black keys. All right, so we're going to start above middle C, G, C with 1, 2, and then a D with the third finger. And then once you get here, G, C, E with the fourth finger, 1, 2, 4. Left hand will do a C octave. Bum, 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 bum. You could also go 1, 3, 4, 5. That would work too. So you can use a fourth finger or a fifth. And then you're already there for G, C, D again, but this time it's a triplet. So the first time, da, 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 triplet, bum, bum, bum. This is an eighth note triplet. And then you have another triplet, but this is a quarter note triplet. And you may say, well, what does that mean to me? If you're not, someone who took traditional lessons and counting is not really a thing, you can just play it by ear. Just play by the feel of it. So G, B, E there with 1, 2, 5. That's an E minor chord over the C bass. We just roll it, triplet. Just think it's a slower triplet. You kind of draw it out, da, da, da. And this one's a little quicker. So you go 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so we've had a C chord. Now we're going to have an E minor here. E, G, B on the right. Left hand has an E octave. Then a G, then that B again. Now we have to move just a little bit here. The top note's going to go to a C. That's why I play my fourth finger on the B so that I have my fifth finger for that C. E, G, C with 1, 2, 5. So 1, 2, dun, dun, dun. Now there's another quarter note triplet, so you draw it out. Ba, ba, ba. C, B, G. A lot of people will see quarter note triplets and then they play them too fast because they think, oh, triplets go fast. No, they don't go fast. Especially with quarter note triplets, you have to make sure you give them enough time because people tend to rush them. Okay, so let's put it together now. We've learned the first measure, we've learned the second one, now we put them together. Ready, 1, 2, go. Now here we have what I call a country sixth. You have the country third, yeah. But if you just take that country third and you take the C and put it on the bottom, then you have kind of the same idea, but it's a sixth instead of a third because a sixth is an inversion of the third. There's the third, but if you take the C and put it down here, it's still C and A, but it's now a sixth because it's inverted. And I'm just going to use 2 and 1, my thumb on the C. If your hand isn't quite that big, you can go 3 to 4. That's fine. But you just kind of flip it like that. C. And that again is another quarter note triplet. Triplet, bum, bum. Here you have F and C with 1 and 5 left hand on a G. And then you change the top note, move the soprano note down to a B, and one more G. And then there's our phrase, E, G, C, 1, 2, 5, left hand on a C. Okay? So now let's try all of it. 1, 2, go. All right, guys, there's your part 1 lesson. If you could do that successfully, and successfully just means you can get through it. You don't have to go as fast as I did. You don't have to nail every note each time and be absolutely perfect. None of us are, I guarantee you. If you can just get through it, you'll be able to get through all the rest of it too, because none of it gets really difficult. So this is one of those that I like to encourage people to play because it's not too hard. And it's one of those you can play maybe at the later beginner levels that you can attempt. And so you can right away start playing the songs that you love, fun songs, not just exercises and things that are written to teach you something, but real music that's going to be fun to play that you love, that you've heard when you were a kid, and you can start playing it right away. I love seeing the look on people's faces when they realize, oh, I can play this, I can play it right away, and the joy that they have. I love that. All right, so this is the part 1. We'll finish it on the website. I'll be with you every step of the way. Talk to you later.